Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Isang Pinoy-British ngayon na namamayagpag sa mundo ng boxing. Sa murang edad na 21 ay galawang pang world champion na ang ipinapamalas nito. Kinaabangan dahil sa pangbihira nitong husay, napaka-agresibo sa bawat laban. Nasa kanya ang timing, speed at pagiging kalmadong boksingero. Isama ko pa dito mga bossing na isa pa itong Pinoy-British na pinupursige na mapabilang at makilahok na maging parte ng ating bansa bilang representative ng ating Pilipinas sa usaping palakasan. Ito ay walang iba kundi si Tom Whelan, isang anak ng Cebuanong Pinay na may pusong Pinoy. Hindi man ito kinalakihan ang bansang Pilipinas, subalit ang puso't isip nito ay hindi makukubli na isa itong Pinoy. Kulay nga lang ang pinagkaiba, pero ang pagmamahal nito sa ating bansa ay hindi matatawaran. Kaya upang bigyang katotohanan ng bidyong ito mga bossing, ay balikan natin ang kanyang laban kontra sa Nicaraguan boxer na si Darwin Martinez.
Watching on his sister Ella, terrific fighter herself. But now Tom Whelan, Tom Ivanhoe coming into this, has craved this kind of challenge. A fighter who's going to come forward and throw. He stands to step up now.
Pinag-aaralan muna ni Kabayan itong kanyang kalaban at sabay gagawa ng ilang kombinasyon na epektibong tumatama ng malinis sa kalaban.
His career, beyond these years, I think has been fantastic. But this bigger test a little bit more problems than we haven't seen before. Unless you compete in your box, he's there tonight. That's a real statement.
Raul Martinez for him, as he has for pretty much everyone. Lasted 4 against Jill, knockout artist. He should remember he's still only 20 years of age.
From Welland. Got to keep that sharpness, especially when Martinez attacks it. He's going to make sure he takes his feet out, like he did just then.
Shot right hand. It's interesting to see Whelan using that jab to the body. Managua in Nicaragua.
See for Welland, this is about getting that balance ball, take a step on the outside.
Right hook landed there from Martinez. Whelan wanted this, wanted the challenge, wanted this spot.
Legs and jump that body, then throw that right hand over the top there, Welland.
Closing the gap.
And with it, you stay low and then deliver that right hand over the top of that lower left hand there to Martinez.
Martinez again, right hook to the body that time. Having these little moments of success in this opening round. Tom Whelan with his hands full here with that right hand.
Good footwork there from Martinez.
So round 2, remember, of a schedule 4 and Overland here. Whelan again, dipping the low in that jab to the body. The barrier.
Excellent. A little feint with the feet there from Whelan. Like trying to disguise your work a little bit more. That lean back's maybe an inch or two on that right hand when he throws it. He brings that right ball just a little bit, and that's where Whelan's getting caught up with that lean back. The safest place is to come close. And Martinez missed it with right hand, and Whelan made him pay with the left hand, makes him take a backward step. Just hold the feet there up, throw the shot and roll. Don't take the step back, roll in. Martinez though, a speculative left hook that landed. When you skip back and look at pivot, a big shot there from Whelan. When you look at it, Martinez can throw that shot.
Grabe, halos mag-init na dito ang kamao ni Tom Whelan mga bossing. Nakita nyo ba yon kung paano tumama ang kaliwat kanan ng Pinoy sa panga nitong kalaban?
Martinez, MVP, had a long run down, but Whelan now with a center picture in his nostrils, a dramatic stoppage on terrestrial television in front of it, left to the body from Whelan. Another combination left hook to the
Sa kalagitnaan nga ng pangalawang round ay 2 beses din bumagsak itong Nicaragua. Halata sa itsura nito na nag-aantay na lang ng tsenyas ng kanyang coach kung itutuloy pa ba ang laban.
seconds to go in the round. Here comes Welland again. And now for Darwin Martinez. Another long right hand. Pounding in those punches now. Martinez on shaky legs. Surely Welland can make it. Surely it's over.
Subalit pinagpatuloy pa rin ito, ngunit ang referee na ang kusang nagtigil ng laban para sa ikakabuti nitong Nicaragua na si Darwin Martinez. Ano ang masasabi ninyo mga bossing sa ating kababayan? I-comment mo lang yan sa ibaba at ating pag-uusapan.
England still undefeated as a professional boxer, Atomic Tom Welland.
Ito pa mga bossing, tignan ninyong maigi ang kaliwat kanan ang lalakas ng suntok.
Those long levers, but Welland's so good at getting inside. He needs to get out of this corner because this is Welland at his best. Right hook, and he's up the levels again. Really imaginative punch picking here from Welland, and Lubanja is covering up. He's going to need to throw back, but he's...
Napatulala na nga lang ang kalaban sa bigat ng suntok nitong ating Pinoy.
And Welland goes to 8-0.
Hindi na bago ang boksingerong ito na aking ipapakilala dahil naitampo ko na ito sa inyo at ang kanyang pangalan ay kumalat na hanggang dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit ang Team Pacquiao at mismong si Pacquiao na ang mismong nakapansin sa boksingerong ito. Tom Welland, Pinoy-British kontra sa Tanzania na si Ali Bilabonja.
Number 8 for one of the most exciting young fighters around in the show.
Sa mga laban talaga nitong si Tom Welland, siya ang palaging nagdidikta ng laban.
Channel 5 shows in Brighton, and he has been accelerated through pro fight number 8 in only 16 months as a pro. Exciting young fighters around.
Such a talent, composed for such a young man, composed with his work, every punch he throws.
Absolutely. Rama Valetza, a former English champion, and from Dar es Salaam, big boxing scene there. And this is his second fight outside town of last year. But he's got his hands full tonight here with Welland. Watch
Again, like it's typical Welland, just nice and composed. Again, pressures you with that stakes, and then with that, they jump when you capitalise and make you
hurt. I just see there with Welland there, just a little thing when he's going to attack, what he's going to do next.
Made his debut here. You described it as one of the best. Notice though that he's but he's lost that. This is really measured. A terrific left hook to the body from Welland.
The final shot's a fantastic shot, but the build-up to the shot.
Napakadulas din itong boksingero, ang hirap patamaan.
There's something very good opening round for Atomic Tom. We have Dan Tower to look forward to these Wasserman cards. Both well. The ceiling could be Welland and Towered. Welland time on his side as well at the age of just 20. He's still working him out.
But he's constant pressure, turning the screw. But early in his career, he was a little bit hot-headed at times. Knew he had a bit of people out there really quick. He's realising now, I can just break fighters down with minimum risk, and that's what he's doing here. He's not making any mistakes, any shots back, but breaking you down, making you feel the pain. And then when the shots appear, he's making
solar plexus from Welland. Luttle, guided by Will Jones, always looking for these little improvements. The uppercut
just makes you forces you back. Pace.
Previous fight against Charles Chilala back in Tanzania. The scorecards and the other two.
Sa long range nitong Tanzania ay malaki ang kanyang advantage sa laban, ngunit hindi nito magagamit ang kanyang haba sa likod nitong ating kababayan.
A place they call Mafia Island in Tanzania. Trying to use long levers, but Welland's so good at getting inside. He needs to get out of this corner because this is Welland at his best. Right hook, and he picked him off as well there with that straight left. Welland just sets it. Enjoying watching Tom Welland, and won this year, but he too is aware. Started boxing at a very good young footballer playing for Cambridge.
The problem you got with Welland is holding him back. I think you have to hold him back, and he'll want to be fighting for titles. Once you get to that level, you can't go back down, and there's so much experience to learn. There's tougher tests to wait for. Even that,
Napakahusay talaga nitong si Tom Welland. Napapanatili niyang nasa corner itong kalaban upang mas mapatama ng maayos ang mga suntok nito sa kanyang kalaban.
We also have that front foot I mentioned already. He plants it right in the center of your stance, forces you to react to him.
Ken Lubanja backed up here. That left hook got through. Right hook to the body as well from Whelan. There's that left hook again. Oh, Lubanja, old man, this Ali B. Lubanja.
And it's a problem for Lubanja. If he doesn't fire back well and the gap's there for Whelan to land with heavy shots. Most fighters don't get to their mid-20s. He's starting to understand how things work for him. Not just going through the repertoire of skills, he understands how to break you down, the process it takes. Everything's off the jab. Don't go.
Oh, superb right hand there. Straight right from Whelan that he set up. Instructions being calmly put across. They work really
One
well.
of his earlier fights where he got a little bit excited, so maybe that calmness in the keeping him level-headed and going through what they were doing in the gym, breaking fighters.
And wants to get out of that corner. Wants to keep him pinned in there.
There, Lubanja. It's a little bit too...
Working so hard to the body. Again, he digs to the body and then follows it up with that straight right hand. A smile on the face of Lubanja.
There's 3 or 4 automatically. So much speed from Welland. I'd like to see him take a step around the target. When he's got him in the corner now, if he just takes a little step to the right, that opens up the body for him, a different angle of attack. There's a left hook through the middle.
Again, he has Lubanja backed into that corner. Mixes up the levels again. Really imaginative punch picking here from Welland, and Lubanja is covering up. He's going to need to throw back, but he's down. Relentless pressure to the body from Tom Welland. And I'm not sure Lubanja's getting up here. He's in agony, and it's done. And Welland goes to 8-0.
Dito na tinapos ni Kabayan ang paghihirap nitong Tanzania. Napakatinding body shot ang nagpasuko sa kalaban upang hindi na ituloy pa ang laban. Ano ang masasabi ninyo mga bossing sa ating kababayan? Asahan natin na isa ito sa magiging world champion at magiging pambato ng ating Pilipinas. Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.